वीकली करंट अफेयर्स जीकेजीएस फॉर जुडिशरी, और ये होगा हमारा 25 फरवरी 2023 से लेकर 3 मार्च 2023 तक का। इस वीडियो में थोड़े ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे कंपेरेटिवली। ओके, आइए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। Uber partners with which of the following organizations for 25,000 electric vehicles? Correct answer is Tata Motors. As part of rupees 350 billion contract, who would sponsor the Indian cricket team kit? Adidas. Who has secured the Women's Premier League WPL championship sponsorship rights for the next 5 seasons? Tata Group. On which day Central Excise Day is observed in India? 24th February. Central Excise Day 24th February, 24 फरवरी. This day is observed to spread awareness among people about various aspects of the central project and fee limit. The Central Excise and Salt Act was passed in the country on February 24, 1944. This day is celebrated to mark this event. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, जो कि CBIC कहा जाता है शॉर्ट फॉर्म में, was established on 1 जनवरी 1964. ये जो CBIC है ये कब इस्टेब्लिश हुआ? 1964 में, 1 जनवरी 1964, 1 जनवरी 1964. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, was established on 1 January 1964. Next, former Supreme Court Justice S. Abdul Nazir took oath as the governor of which state? Andhra Pradesh. Former Supreme Court Judge Justice S. Abdul Nazir, governor of Andhra Pradesh. Former Supreme Court Justice S. Abdul Nazir has taken an oath as the governor of Andhra Pradesh. He replaced Vishwa Bhushan Harichandan. इनके पहले कौन थे गवर्नर आंध्र प्रदेश के? विश्व भूषण हरिचंदन. आंध्र प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट चीफ जस्टिस प्रशांत कुमार मिश्रा administered Justice Nazir in his sworn ceremony to assume this position. This was done by President Draupadi Murmu on 12 February 2023. He has served as a former judge in the Karnataka High Court. Next, the legendary dancer Kanak Rele recently passed away. She was famous for which classical dance? Mohiniyattam. Kanak Rele, the dancer of classical dance Mohiniyattam, passed away recently. She was the founder principal of Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. While she had a long career of 60 years, she was honored with the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India, the country's third largest civilian award. Along with this, she also received the Padma Shri award in the year 1990. In 2006, the government of Madhya Pradesh conferred the Kalidas Samman to her. ठीक है, मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट कौन सा अवार्ड सम्मान किए थे? 2006 में मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने सम्मान किया उनको कालिदास सम्मान 2006 में. इन विच सिटी इज द ऑल इंडिया टाइकवोंडो चैंपियनशिप बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? न्यू दिल्ली. थोड़ी सी एडिशनल जानकारी देख लेते हैं जो कि काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. दिस चैंपियनशिप वॉज हेल्ड ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ द कंप्लीशन ऑफ 50 years ऑफ डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशंस बिटवीन कोरिया एंड इंडिया. स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया जो कि है SAI, ठीक है, शॉर्ट में SAI, Korean Cultural Center is co-hosting the event along with India and Korea National Sports University. This championship is being organized at the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. कौन सा स्टेडियम में? इंदिरा गांधी इंडोर स्टेडियम. A total of 265 taekwondo players from 21 centers of the Sports Authority of India are participating in this event. Who has been nominated by US President Joe Biden for the position of World Bank's head? अजय बांगा. वर्ल्ड बैंक अजय बांगा. वर्ल्ड बैंक का हेड अजय बांगा. द करेंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक जो कि हैं डेविड मालपास हैज अनाउंस टू रिजाइन बाय जून 2023. करेंट वर्ल्ड बैंक के प्रेसिडेंट डेविड मालपास. Malpass was elected by former US President Donald Trump. Next, which country observed Democracy Day on February 19th? नेपाल. 19 फरवरी को डेमोक्रेसी डे किस देश ने मनाया? नेपाल ने. 19 फरवरी नेपाल, 19th फरवरी नेपाल. From which state was the APJ Abdul Kalam satellite launch vehicle mission 2023 launched? Tamil Nadu. Who was sworn in as the new governor of Jharkhand? CP Radhakrishnan. New governor of Jharkhand, CP Radhakrishnan. New governor of Jharkhand, CP Radhakrishnan. In which city did India and Egypt hold their third joint working group on counter-terrorism meeting? New Delhi. Which country confirmed the test of Hwasong-15 intercontinental ballistic missile? North Korea. Which country's fertility rate is the lowest in the world at 0.78 in 2022? South Korea. Lowest fertility rate in the world, South Korea. South Korea's fertility rate is the lowest in the world. The average number of expected babies per South Korean woman over her reproductive life declined from 0.81 in 2021 to 0.78 in 2022. The country requires fertility rate of 2.1 to maintain a stable population. However, its number of deaths surpassed the births since 2020. The low fertility rate is causing major economic concerns in South Korea. देखिए कहने का मतलब है कि जब पॉपुलेशन ही नहीं रहेगी तो इकोनॉमिक अर्थव्यवस्था कहाँ बना रहेगा, ठीक है। कहने का मतलब ये पॉपुलेशन पे भी डिपेंड करता है। बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है इकोनॉमी के लिए, बहुत कम पॉपुलेशन भी, यानी बैलेंस्ड पॉपुलेशन होना चाहिए। Rideau Canal Skateway, which was seen in the news, is in which country? Canada. Rideau Canal Skateway, Canada. Rideau Canal Skateway, Canada. The Rideau Canal Skateway is a popular winter attraction in Ottawa, Canada. It is the world's largest skating rink. It is part of the Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For the first time since it was built in 1971, Rideau Canal Skateway will not open because of the lack of ice. This is due to the unusually high temperature in the region. In which state did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the Shivamogga Airport? Karnataka. Shivamogga Airport, Karnataka. Who has been honored with the Marconi Award for the year 2023? Hari Balakrishnan. Hari Balakrishnan. Marconi Award, Hari Balakrishnan. Marconi Award 2023, Hari Balakrishnan. Kaziranga National Park is located in which state? Assam. Kaziranga National Park, Assam. It is home to a large population of one-horned rhinoceros. One-horned rhinoceros की बात की जाए तो ये काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क से संबंधित है, जो कि है आसाम में। One-horned rhinoceros. As of 2018 census, 2613 rhinos are living in the park. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General by FICCI? New Secretary General. Correct answer is Shailesh Pathak. New Secretary General by FICCI, Shailesh Pathak. Shailesh Pathak. The FICCI का full form क्या होगा? The Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. I repeat, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, has appointed former IAS officer Shailesh Pathak as its new General Secretary. FICCI was established in the year 1927. It is the oldest apex trade organization. इसका हेडक्वार्टर है न्यू दिल्ली में. It is a non-governmental, non-profit organization. Which city has been renamed as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar? Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Aurangabad. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Aurangabad. When is World Civil Defense Day observed every year? 1st March. World Civil Defense Day, 1st March. World Civil Defense Day, 1st March. The theme क्या है? The theme for this year's World Civil Defense Day is uniting the world's leading industry experts to protect future generations. क्या है theme? I repeat, uniting the world's leading industry experts to protect future generations. In the year 1990, the United Nations General Assembly officially designated 1st March as World Civil Defense Day. Who has been appointed as the science chief by the US Space Agency NASA? Nicola Fox. US Space Agency NASA science chief Nicola Fox. The US Agency NASA का science chief Nicola Fox. Who has taken over as the new principal director general of PIB? Rajesh Malhotra. PIB, Rajesh Malhotra. New principal director general of PIB, Rajesh Malhotra. PIB का full form Press Information Bureau. Press Information Bureau, commonly known as PIB. Press Information Bureau is a nodal agency of the Government of India under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Okay, which country has been honored with the Government Leadership Award 2023 by the GSM Association? Government Leadership Award 2023 किसको मिला? इंडिया को मिला. GSM Association was established in the year 1995. Which neighboring country of India signed MOU with International Solar Alliance (ISA) to increase use of solar energy? Correct answer is Bangladesh. What is the rank of India in the International Intellectual Property Index 2023? 42nd 42 इंडिया का रैंक 2023 में इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी इंडेक्स पर 42 इंडियाज रैंक 42 India ranks 42nd among 55 leading global economies in the International Intellectual Property Index report released by the US Chambers of Commerce. India was at the 40th rank in the year 2021. The report covers patent and copyright laws, ability to monetize IP assets, and the ratification of international agreements. Morocco and Thailand at 2.5% each, and Vietnam at 2.02% had the largest improvements in their overall score. Okay, next. Exercise Dust League 2023 was organized between India and which country? Uzbekistan. Exercise Dust 2023, Exercise Dust League 2023, Uzbekistan. Exercise Dust League 2023, a joint exercise between India and Uzbekistan, is being organized in पिथौरगढ़, जो कि है उत्तराखंड में, पिथौरगढ़ उत्तराखंड. It is organized to focus on anti-terrorist operations in semi-urban areas. Uzbekistan is a Central Asian nation that was formerly part of the former Soviet Republic. Its capital is Tashkent. कैपिटल क्या है उज़्बेकिस्तान का? ताशकंद. कैपिटल उज़्बेकिस्तान का ताशकंद. डस्ट लेक कौन सा है? उज़्बेकिस्तान. डस्ट लेक एक्सरसाइज डस्ट लेक इंडिया एंड उज़्बेकिस्तान, जो कि जिसका कैपिटल है ताशकंद. When is the International Mother Language Day 2023 observed? 21 फरवरी 21 फरवरी इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज डे. इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज डे 2023 21 फरवरी. February 21st is observed as the International Mother Language Day. Its aim is to promote linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism across the world. It was first announced by the UNESCO's General Conference in 1999 and formally recognized by the UNGA in 2002. The year 2008 marked the International Year of Languages. The theme for 2023 is Multilingual Education, a necessity to transform education. जो थीम है ये क्या है? 2023 का थीम क्या है? Multilingual Education. Multilingual Education, a necessity to transform education. Multilingual Education, a necessity to transform education. Okay, next. Which state was ranked the top performer in the Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Index 2022? West Bengal. Top performer, West Bengal. The Institute for Competitiveness released the second edition of the Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Index 2022. It measures the literacy of children below the age of 10. The index measures states based on 5 key parameters including educational infrastructure, access to education, basic health, learning outcomes, and governance. It ranked West Bengal as the top performer and Uttar Pradesh as the lowest among large state category. Okay, next. As per IMF, which country has the potential to contribute 15% of the global growth in 2023? India. Correct answer is India. Next. थोड़ा सा additional जानकारी. As per the International Monetary Fund, IMF Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva, India has the potential to contribute 15% of the global growth in 2023. On the sidelines of the G20 meeting in Bengaluru, the IMF chief also said that India should completely focus on structural reforms and make more opportunities for women. For financial year 2023-24, IMF had projected 6.1% GDP growth for India. Next. Dharoi wetland, where a bird survey was conducted recently, is located in which state? गुजरात. धारोई वेटलैंड कहाँ पे है? गुजरात में. धारोई वेटलैंड गुजरात. धारोई वेटलैंड गुजरात. The second edition of the 2-day bird survey Dharoi 2023 was recently conducted at the Dharoi wetland in Gujarat. The wetland spreads over 107 square kilometers in North Gujarat. Dharoi Reservoir was created by damming Sabarmati and Harnoi rivers in 1978 as a major irrigation scheme. The maiden Dharoi Bird Survey 2022 recorded 193 species out of the 616 found in Gujarat. Dibang Multipurpose Project, India's largest ever hydropower project, is being set up in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Dibang Multipurpose Project, Arunachal Pradesh. Dibang Multipurpose Project, Arunachal Pradesh. Dibang Hydropower Project, which was approved by the central government recently, is India's largest ever hydropower project. It is being set up close to China's border on the Dibang River in Arunachal Pradesh, Lower Dibang Valley District. This project will be developed by National Hydroelectric Power Corporation (NHPC) with an estimated cost of 319 billion INR Indian rupees. Okay. When is the National Science Day celebrated every year? 28 फरवरी नेशनल साइंस डे 28 फरवरी फरवरी का आखिरी दिन 28 फरवरी नेशनल साइंस डे 28 फरवरी क्यों मनाया जाता है थोड़ा सा ये भी देख लेते हैं. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 20th February every year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. It was observed for the first time in 1987. The day celebrates the contributions of scientists and creates awareness about the importance of science in everyday life. This discovery of Raman is Catherine von Raman the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930, making him the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize in the scientific field. Next, what is INS Sindhu Kesari which was seen in the news recently? Submarine. ठीक है, INS सिंधु केसरी सबमरीन है, पनडुब्बी सबमरीन INS सिंधु केसरी. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. आई होप ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगा होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. जय हिंद.